dinosaur has one. That's great. He's very kind. Let's go look from Woodlan's point of view.
Come on, right there, second. This one. Ooh, 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 ooh. And right here, right here. And right here.
Here's your GoPro.
I got some log candies.
You got lot candies?
Yeah. And I can't find my other one. And I can't find another one. Oh, 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 oh. Found one too. One in here's. I
Hey,
found
don't be sticking camera.
it's right there.
Woodlan, you can grab that green one if you want. You found that one. Kavern, right here. Look at that. Look, come from this view.
Keep looking. Look somewhere else. Like,
Come here.
These ones.
Over here.
I'm over here.
Look, come here. Come here. Now look in there. Look, in there.
Hey,
What color is that? Orange, yeah. Your booty's hanging out, sir.
how you doing, Nicole?
Hey, Kavern.
I just got me one.
Kavern.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you haven't found one. Yeah. Kavern.
There's a bunch of them, Kavern.
Okay.
Do you see that?
Kavern. Oh, yep. Oh, you found another one? Good job. Grab it. What color is that one? Green one. Can you reach it? Nice. Hey, can you find a football for me? You found one. Yeah, you hear it? You found a sucker. Good job. Did you find some? How are you doing over there, Indy? Getting good ones? There might be more. Come look. Come on. Let's see. Hey! Oh! Look at that! Your dinosaur has one! That's great! Good job, Grandma. Good job! What color is that one? Green. Wow! Hey, green's like your dinosaur. Let's keep looking for more, baby. Good job, honey. Okay, let's keep going. Hey, hey, hey. Come look at the flowers. Do you see the color blue back there? Oh, there's another one. Good job. I didn't even see that one. Oh, hang on. Stop pushing it back. Hang on, hang on. Hey, Dad. Hang on. Leave that one there for right now. But look, there's another one right there. Oops. They put it in too far. Here, Dad's going to have to come help with that one. Hey, Dad. It was a very cool spot. But he pushed it way back there. Yeah. Okay, let's keep looking, baby. Dad's gonna help you with that one, okay?
I find it for you too. Like so huge. little baby one. I found it! I found hers!
That's the big one for you, Woodlan.
Oh, big one?
That one's for you. That's the dinosaur one. That's your big dinosaur egg, right?
One right. I got my dinosaur one. Guys. Oh, I found one here on our table. I need some more. I want this to see it's last time. Oh, it's candy. I need Peter Boy again. It's candy. I just saw it's candy last time. It's candy. And honey put it away. It's candy. I got candy and orange one. I got some candy and orange one, and I just opened it, and it's a candy.
Yeah? Show me your basket. Whoa.
Uh,
What color is that?
little.
Yellow. Oh, we need to find your big one, Kavern. Yeah?
We're gonna go behind the grown-up one in the front yard.
Mm.
You guys are doing this one.
Oh, okay, perfect.
That way there's not a huge gap between.
There's not a lot of hiding spots in the front.
She'll find.
Okay.
Kavern, come over here.
Do you know where the big one is?
You guys are all doing super well.
Wait, hold it.
No.
Okay,
No, that's not an egg.
Kavern,
Hey,
Woodlan.
Kavern, come here. Up here. Can you climb? Careful. Oh, your big one. You get it? You got it. You can. Wow, what's on that? Turn it around. Show me what's on there. A dinosaur? Look how cool. Oh, he's telling you that he found his dinosaur. Yeah.
I know it does that.
Awesome.
I don't like it.
Oh no, don't look.
Oh yeah, we can't look at the front. Yeah, don't look at the front. You can't look at the front because they're hiding it. Rocky blade. Hey, look how many we've got. We got so many. That's awesome, baby.
I got it for Cutter.
Oh, I was gonna
Here you go.
Oh, good job.
Good job looking. Go look over here, Kavern. Kavern, look at these fishes. Look at those ones.
I need no. I'm not gonna know.
Look over that one. That one.
I'm going over here. Get it.
See it?
Yeah,
Where is it?
right there.
High five!
Come here, guys.
High five! You did such a good job! Nice!
Yeah.
High five. Here. Nice.
Come here, guys.
Nice. Hey, will you guys
Hey.
stand together?
Yeah.
Nice job.
Hey, kids.
Hey, look at all together and take mine.
Real fast. First, actually, just real quick.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh,
Can you guys say bye, friends? Right here.
Yell to the camera. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy